Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you easily cancel or remove autopay in PhonePe. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. Then you open the app and of course you have to be logged in. So first you tap on your profile icon that should be in the top left corner of your screen right here, and once you tap there, you'll be taken to your profile. So from your profile, tap on AutoPay settings right there. It will take you to this screen where you find every single service that you have AutoPay turned on for. So if you want to cancel Netflix, for example, you tap on it. Then you tap on Remove AutoPay that should be towards the bottom of the screen right there. Once you tap on it, you'll get this pop-up in the middle of the screen where you have to confirm that you want to remove the autopay. So tap on confirm, you get a pop-up from the bottom of the screen this time that says autopay removed successfully, and it is as easy as that. Now once you quit and go back from here, you will still find the history of the autopay. If you want to remove it, just tap on remove right there and you should be good to go. And that was guys, how can you cancel autopay on PhonePe. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos and helpful tips like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.